Here are a few tips and tricks to help you get started with your Ninja Blast Max. Before loading your ingredients, turn on the blender to check the battery life. If the power button LEDs are solid green, then the blender is fully charged and ready to blend. Solid red power LED means the battery is low, and flashing red means the battery is dead. Loading the ingredients correctly will help you achieve the perfect blend. After confirming your motor base is fully charged, you can load your ingredients. Start by adding liquid to at least the minimum liquid line. Next, add fresh fruits. Then add up to 1 cup of leafy greens. Then add your dry or sticky ingredients like protein powders, nut butters, and seeds. Finish by adding ice and frozen ingredients. Always put frozen ingredients last to ensure the best blending experience is achieved. Your Ninja Blast Max is equipped with 1 manual blending program and 2 AutoIQ preset programs. The manual blend program will continuously blend for 30 seconds straight and is great for making things like protein shakes and milkshakes. You can also use the blend button to pulse by pressing blend once to start the program and pressing the button again to quickly stop it. The Smoothie and Crush AutoIQ programs take the guesswork out of blending by combining unique timed pulsing and pausing patterns that do the work for you. The Smoothie program is great for blending fresh and frozen fruit smoothies, and the Crush program is perfect for breaking down ice for frozen drinks. If your blending contents are too thick and having a hard time blending, give the blender a quick shake or add 1 tablespoon to 1/4 cup more liquid between blends. You can shake as needed while it is blending, or you can remove the vessel to shake before reinstalling and blending again. A common LED error code you may see is the blades blocked in heavy load error, which will show up as a blinking purple LED on the blend program that was selected. This means there is something stopping the blade from spinning, or your recipe is too thick and requires some intervention. Both of these instances can be fixed the same way, by adding more liquid or shaking the vessel while blending to move ingredients towards the blades. If you get this error 3 times in a row, you may have to wait 20 seconds for the motor to cool down before you can get back to blending. If there's something blocking the blades, like frozen fruit or ice, then remove the vessel from the motor base and use a long-stemmed utensil to move the blockage before reinstalling the vessel and blending again. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.